Hi, today I'm going to review the Braun S9 series electric shaver and give you some reasons why I think it's the shaver of choice. First of all, as you can tell, I'm bald. So I've been looking for shavers that will kind of handle the job that I need it to handle for a very long time. I've tried the little handheld ones that have the shaped three razors on it, and those are just cheap and a waste of money. It wasn't until I came across the Braun S9 series electric shaver that I knew that I had found the tool that I needed to do the job. So first, as you can see, it has a cleaning stand and a charging station that it handily sits in on your bathroom when you're not using it. The charge on the battery can last up to 50 to 60 minutes worth of constant running. So that's a long time. You can be able to take this on vacation with you or a weekend out and not worry about having to take all of this. It does come with a travel case, which is handy to have when you want to throw it in your suitcase, along with a little handy cleaning brush on it here. So in there, zip it up and you're ready to go, and you don't have to worry about taking the cleaning station. Now, on the razor itself, it has a rotating head, so where you can contour to your face or your scalp. And for me, I predominantly purchased it for my scalp because I was just tired of running a razor over my scalp, and it just was getting just didn't like it. Now, this razor, the reason why it just stands out above the others is, one, it can cut up to 3 days worth of beard, or in my case, hair. It has an auto sense technology where it will adapts to the density of your beard. So if you're someone who has a real dense beard, this will automatically sense what type of beard you have and will cut accordingly. It has 40,000 cutting actions per minute. So not only does it detect your density of your beard, but this beauty right here is 100% waterproof up to 15 feet. So you can take this in the shower with you, do your thing, and set it back into its charging station, and it's going to take care of itself. Now, you also, on the back side, you have a sideburn trimmer, a mustache trimmer that is kind of handy to have with you as well. So every now and then I'll use it to trim up my mustache and my goatee. So pretty handy. Now, the charging station has a solution in the bottom of it that when you select this button here, it takes it through a cleaning cycle, which not only does it clean the stubble that it removes from your face or your scalp, but it is going to also lubricate it and keep your blades sharper for a very longer time. Sits in there like that. Now, in the back of the charging station, you're going to notice a little button. Now, a button, when you push it, is going to drop down, and this is the cleaning solution cartridge that you get with this kit. And it just simply removes, slips underneath, push it back down, and you're ready to go again and clean it as much as you want. Of course, it comes with the charging cable, which is handy whenever you need that. I keep mine plugged into the wall throughout the day, so it's always ready to go. Of course, I said the cleaning brush. So if you're looking for a shaver to get the job done, I'm telling you from experience that this one here will get the job done.